Ma'am, you're not audible.
Am I audible, Suleiman? Can you hear me? Good evening.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
No? Okay, can you hear me now? Good evening.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I don't. Okay. So I think we were
Ma'am, you're not. Ma'am, you're
doing
not
finish it
audible
up
again.
and then we also. Okay.
Ma'am, you're not audible again.
Wait a minute then. Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes,
me
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So I was just saying that do this. Okay, so do this fifth one and then we will discuss the answer. Okay? Students, can you hear me? Uh, okay, students, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can start. So sorry for the disturbance. I don't know what's wrong with my Wi-Fi. Suleiman, you can also switch on the camera. Suleiman, can you hear me? Suleiman, have you finished this? Suleiman,
Yes, ma'am.
you have finished this question?
Ma'am, my internet is not good today, so I keep getting disconnected.
Sorry, Suleiman.
Ma'am, my internet is not good today, so I keep getting disconnected.
Okay. No problem. You have finished this question?
No, ma'am, just the last.
Okay. Do it. Finished. Hepzibah, you have finished? Okay. Ananya, you are end with question? Ananya, your video stuck? Hepzibah, can you see Ananya's video? No? Okay, that's in focus mode, sorry. But Ananya, can you hear me? I think her video is stuck.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, your video is stuck. I can't see you moving. Switch off it and on. Fine. Earlier it was like this and I was like, why Ananya is sitting at one position? Why she is not doing anything? Okay. Everybody finished now?
Ma'am, I'm in 7th one.
Okay. Do it. Ananya, do it.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, so let's just discuss the answer, girls. Fine. Okay, so the first one, Hepzibah will tell me the first one.
I got 2 upon 1 or 2.
Okay, yes. So I'm just doing it here. I think everybody will be following it like this. 7 divided by 35 by 10. Right? It will be 7 by 1 multiply by 10 by 35. So it's your choice if you want to do it 70 by 35 and then solve it further. Or 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So here also you are getting 2. Clear? 2 or 2 by 1, both are the same answer. So Ananya, you also got the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next one, the second one Ananya will tell me. 36 divided by 0.2.
I got 180.
Yes. Hepzibah, you also got 180?
Yes.
Okay. Now the third one.
Third one got 650 by 100. Hello?
Okay, so sorry, I was on mute and I was speaking. Okay, yeah. So the third one, what do you got, Hepzibah?
650 by 100.
650 by 100.
Yes.
Okay. So now you have to get the answer in decimal. So 650 by 100. So 0 and 0 got cancelled. And then 65 by 10. So 6.5 would be the final answer. Clear? Ananya,
Okay.
you also got the same? 6.5?
Yes, ma'am, I got 6.5.
Okay, now for the fourth one, Ananya, you tell me.
44.2.
Yes. Hepzibah, you also got the same?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now for the fifth one.
I got 220 by 40.
220 by 5. You converted into mixed fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one you are talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just do the fifth one here. Ananya, what you got for the fifth one?
I got 2.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, I'm just doing it here. Have a look. So it will be 5 by 10. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
5 by 10 multiply by 25 by 100. Yes. Sorry.
100 by
Divide.
10.
Divide. Okay, then the second step 5 by 10 multiply by 100 by 20. So 0 and 0 got cancelled. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. So 10 by 5 is the answer. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Or if you simply multiply 500 by 250. Yes? Yes or no? So 0 and 0 got cancelled. Then 5 tens are 50, 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So here also you are getting 2. Clear? And
Okay.
Hepzibah, what did you did so you got the different answer?
I converted into mixed fraction everything.
Okay, no. Here in the decimal only you'll get or the full or the direct answer. Okay?
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, now the next one. Sixth one, Hepzibah, you tell me. No, Ananya, you tell me the sixth one.
31.
31. Okay. Suleiman, you finished this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now quickly, Suleiman, you will do the 7th, 8th and 9th. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll just wait until then, girls. You can also revisit 6th, 7th and 8th. 7th, 8th and 9th. Okay, Suleiman, finish.
Ma'am, last question.
Okay, quickly do it because I think today is the rest day for girls. They're just waiting. I think Hepzibah is waiting for a long time, and then Ananya is also waiting now. Okay, we are just about to end. After this, only we have one question, and then we are done with this chapter. So yeah, you deserve this rest. And also in the next class, like on Tuesday, I'm planning to take your test for the entire chapter, like a assignment test, so that we can discuss the answers in the class itself. Okay, so come prepared, all the topics, fractions, division, multiplication, converting into mixed fraction, decimal, division, multiplication, and of course a word problem for multiplication as well as for the division. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so Suleiman, you tell me what you got for the seventh one.
Ma'am, 510.
Okay, everybody got 510, girls? Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
For the now, the next one, Suleiman only will tell me the eighth one.
Ma'am, 27.
Okay, everybody got 27? Okay. Now the ninth one, Hepzibah will tell me.
I got 2.1.
Okay, everybody got 2.1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so good. Okay, now I'm going to give you one last question. I think this is the last question for this exercise. Let's see. I'll not tell you anything. You have to do it on your own. Fine? Works? It's a word problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see the screen? Question, students? Question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Okay. So a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Okay, so over here, what you have to do, for example, I said, like I got 20 chocolates, right? And I divided it, like this 20 chocolate, I divided into 5 students. Okay. So I just need to find how much one student got. So what I will do, 20 divided by 5. So that means one student got 5 chocolate. Clear? So similarly, here also they have given a vehicle covered a distance of total distance they have given. Okay. As well as they have given in 2.4. So you have to find in 1 liter how much petrol, like how much distance they will cover. Okay. So first of all, you need to write the statement. So what statement you will write? You can write in 2.4 liter of petrol. In 2.4 liter of petrol, total distance covered equals to 43.2 kilometers. Okay. And then in 2.4 liter of petrol, total distance covered equals to this. Then you will write in 1 liter of petrol.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, wait. Total distance covered. This is how you have to write the statement as well, Suleiman. Okay. Then what you need to do? 43.2 divided by 2.4. Right? And you will get the answer. Okay, or instead of writing it like this, okay, you can write it like this as well. 43.2 divided by 2.4. Yes, Suleiman, your answer is correct.
Okay.
Just write the statements as well, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Ananya, it's correct. Hepzibah, you are done?
Yes.
Okay, Hepzibah, finish?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you got, Hepzibah?
I got 17.5.
17.5. Okay, let's see how you got 17.5. Okay, so 43 by 10 divided by 24 by 10. Fine? This is correct?
Yes.
Then 432 divided by 10 multiply by 10 by 24. Okay? So 10 and 10 got cancelled. And then 432 by 24. Right? So then how would you divide it? 2 table? Yes. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. 2 1 and then 2 2. 12. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 0. And then 2 3s are 6. Right? Then 2 6. Right? Then 2 5. Sorry, not 2 table. Directly you will do it. So what you will get? Tell me, tell me. 6. I did some mistake or what? Let me just check it once again. I don't know what I did.
I did the long division method, so I don't know about this one.
Okay. So others got 18 now, that's why I'm asking. Others, how you people did it? Yes, you people did long division or you did it like this only?
Long division.
Long division, okay, let's just do the long division. I think that the long division, it's easy. 432 and 24. So 24 ones are 24. Yes. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got 9, right? Yes. 9. Okay, and over here 1. So you'll bring this there and I think 24 multiply by 8. You will get 192 itself. Is it? 24 multiply by 8. 192. So 18. Hapsiba, what you did?
I did 7 times.
Then you didn't try it with the 8th one, right?
No.
So you have to always find the number until unless you get the final answer. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I hope everybody did this, right? Okay. So students, now what you people will be doing, I'm just giving you, we still have 5 minutes. So whatever query you have from the chapter, because on Tuesday I'm planning, there are 2 chances. Either I'll take your like this assignment for this fraction and decimal, or I will start the new chapter. Okay, so let's see what happens. But if you have any doubt for this, either for fraction or decimal or anything, just ask me. I'm just giving you 5 minutes for that. Okay? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay. Suleiman, I have just given you time to revise it. In case you have any doubt for this chapter, you can ask me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We are done with this chapter. So if you have any doubt, you can just ask me. So that on Tuesday, I'm just planning to take your one assignment. So accordingly, just come prepared. It depends. Like if I have to start a new chapter or I'll take it. So prepare both ways. Okay. Prepare for this as well. And if I start a new chapter, then some other day I'll take it. Okay. Okay. I hope everybody don't like any one of you don't have any doubts, right? Any doubt? Hepzibah, Suleiman?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So that's it for today, students. Okay. We'll meet in the next class and we'll continue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Manha. How are you? Good evening, Manha. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also good. Okay. What we were doing in the previous class?
Um,
I think we did example number 12, not the tanker one.
yes.
Okay. So let's just wait for others to join. In case if they join, in case if they don't, then I'll start with I'll start with you.
Okay. Ma'am, tomorrow I have maths unit test. That's number 1 and 2.
Okay. So do you want to practice that today?
Yes.
Okay. So just give me 1 minute. I'll just find some questions for you. Okay.
Okay.
Question number 1, chapter number 1 is your knowing our numbers, right? And second
Yes.
is whole.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Ma'am, you're looking so good today.
Thank you. I just came from an event, so I just need to sit it like this. So thank you.
Ma'am, in lesson number 1, teacher made us mark the exercise 1.2, which word problems were come.
Okay. Okay, so
Should I-
students, what? Yes. So you want to
So should I
practice that
tell you which
exercise?
one?
Yes.
What?
You want to
Should I tell
practice
you
that
which
exercise, or should I give you the question from my side?
you can give?
Okay. At the end, you can tell me. Okay. So,
Okay.
Mariam, what I'm doing, I think for whole numbers, I think the whole number is coming for you as well, na? The first and second. Mariam? No? Mariam, whole number is not coming for you?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Okay. Okay, so today what we are going to do, we are just going to practice some questions today. Okay. And we'll discuss it whether you people are aware of this or not. Fine? So in case if you have any doubt or something, just let me know. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just share it. It's basically the school one. Okay, I hope you people can see the screen, right?
Yes, I can see, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you people will start doing it. Do till question number 5th. Okay, and then we'll discuss the answer. Okay?
Question number 8 or 5?
Fifth.
Okay.
And both of you switch on the cameras because that's very, very mandatory.